pop up these videos. And so we're going to bring on attorney Vince Camacho. Man, a lot of lawyers this morning. And he's going to be joined by Miss Trina Perez Ngoko. And Trina was able to receive her college diploma. All right. And I think it was, we'll just bring him on and let him talk about it. So good morning, Vince and Trina, you guys there? Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
So we're going to pop up the pictures here, the videos. This was so cool. So you got your diploma, Trina. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
And what was it in? Just give us a little background on your schooling and the diploma that you got.
Oh, I got my Associate of Science in Supervision and Management at the Guam Community College. My diploma was actually a makeshift diploma created by our talented staff here at Camacho Capital Law Group. It's a temporary diploma that they wanted to offer me or provide to me because I haven't received mine from GCC.
Right. And so we're popping that up here. That's a cool diploma.
Thank you.
It's actually cooler than the GCC ones I've seen. Good job. Vince, we bring you on. So obviously this is a problem that the whole world's having. People are graduating, whether it's from high school, whether it's from college. Yeah, we do middle school graduations and elementary school graduations too. But how important was it for you guys to kind of have this little celebration for Trina and her in light of her achieving this milestone?
Well, it's very important. As a law firm, our biggest asset are the employees. And in order to help our employees grow and proceed in their careers, we definitely ask them, to further their education. And once they've done it, and once they've completed the successful courses that they need and they obtain, I think it's an employer's responsibility to make sure that they're celebrated, because that only brings back to us as the business and to our clients and to the rest of the staff, a better person, and which makes our office more efficient. And of course, at the end of the day, it shows on the bottom line. Our staff is our main asset, and by investing in our staff and human resources, we only get the return.
Yeah, and I know we're featuring you guys, but this is actually something that a lot of employers have done through the Guam Community College and the University of Guam. People are continuing to graduate, without the ceremonies here during the COVID. So we know there are other stories out there, but I want to go back to the video here. Trina, can you kind of walk us through how surprised you were?
Well, I actually knew we were going to have a toast at the end of the day, so I was looking forward to that tequila shot. I called on to come into the lobby. I started to hear the graduation commencement song, and so, I knew everybody worked hard at putting this together to surprise me, so I wanted to walk in with a surprise look or action.
Well, how was that surprise look? How's her surprise look, Vince? Is it award-winning or what?
Convincing?
Yeah, you can tell by the video it was award-winning, Grammy award-winning.
Oscar, bust a Oscar. We're going to give you the Oscar.
Yes.
Okay, so Trina and Vince, we wanted to just bring you guys on to recognize this is a cool little story and a good deed. We always try and end the show on a good note. Trina, I want to take it to you. What would your message be to those people who, like you, are completing some type of schooling during this COVID-19? And, so much of completing something is the ceremony, is the celebration. And so you're very fortunate to have some, great work for a great company that did this for you. But what's your message to other people who are going through the same thing that you went through?
Well, first of all, I would say congratulations for completing your education. And I know we all like to be celebrated. We're all human. But, everyone is entitled to their feelings, and like my daughter who's also graduating from UOG, she's so disappointed about not going to a graduation or having a ceremony. And like what I said to her, and I'll say to everyone else, acknowledge your feelings. it's okay to be upset or disappointed, but we can't control the situation. So don't dwell on it. Know that you accomplished something good, and move on. And look at the brighter things. The better things ahead of you. And to the families of those who are graduating, do something small to celebrate them. And I think mainly if we don't feel celebrated, we feel that we haven't really finished. Like having a birthday, if no one celebrates your birthday, it's an ordinary day. You don't feel celebrated. So I think it's important that we all, within our families, just recognize those who completed their education and graduated.
Well, again, we wanted to bring you guys on. Vince, thank you for coming on, and just wanted to recognize the good work that you guys are doing here and name you COVID heroes.
Thank you.
God bless you, Trina.
Congratulations.
Save me some tequila.
Okay, will do. Bye.
Bye. Wash your hands. Okay, 10:04. Thank you guys so much for joining us for Containing COVID. Again, brought to you by Cowboy Enterprises, Ambrose Inc., IT&E, Coast 360, and the Bank of Guam. We really tried to jam a lot of info into the show for you this morning, but